Hey guys, this is Rick Knight, Realtor in North Myrtle Beach. I wanted you to see the Cherry Grove Pier. It's a really special place here in Cherry Grove Beach, and it's one of my favorites, and I wanted you to check out the drone flight video. Check it out.